Hi, I'm Amy Myers. I teach the Domestic Violence Clinic. Students in this clinic represent indigent survivors of intimate partner violence in DC Superior Court, our local trial court, and USCIS, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. And their representation includes civil protection orders and immigration petitions and other forms of legal remedies as our clients need. And this range of representation means that they're often in court, as well as doing significant written advocacy. Their cases involve conducting initial intake interviews, investigating facts, talking to witnesses, counseling clients on legal and non-legal options, preparing for hearings, being in hearings, negotiating with opposing counsel and parties, as well as writing court pleadings and immigration petitions. And our clients have an array of safety and financial needs, so we also work quite a bit with community partners and state agencies to ensure that those needs are met. And students have responsibility for these cases. So I don't sit in on their meetings with clients. They're the ones counseling clients. I'm not on the phone with opposing counsel. They're the ones speaking in court. Their names go on the pleading. They are the attorneys in the cases.
I'm just going to stop right there.
Yes. We met one of our clients, a teenager named Maria, or that's what I'll call her, at the courthouse when she came to seek protection from her ex-boyfriend and the father of her child. The student attorneys represented her in a civil protection order hearing where the opposing counsel was represented, and the court did award her a civil protection order, which included temporary custody of the child and child support. And her student attorneys also helped Maria file a police report and advocated with the local prosecutor to pursue criminal charges against her ex. And ultimately they did. They charged him with sexual assault. The students helped Maria prepare for the grand jury and the criminal trial and advocated with the prosecutor and with the defense attorney to keep her sexual history from being put on trial. And ultimately her ex pled guilty and Maria spoke at his sentencing. The students connected Maria with additional services for her baby, and for her parents. When her student attorneys graduated, one of them began working at a local nonprofit organization in the area that served domestic violence survivors. And so she represented Maria there. She worked with her to get full custody of her baby, and she filed a petition to get Maria status in the country successfully, and the security that she needed to go to college. And so Maria still keeps in touch with her student attorneys. She came by to show us pictures of her prom, and we have gotten to see her baby grow up over the last few years. And she's happy and safe and achieving her goals now. When students graduate from the clinic, not only will they have discussed and simulated exercises on fundamental lawyering activities like interviewing and counseling clients, negotiating, trial advocacy, but they actually will have had full responsibility in cases that involve all of these activities. The clinic permits students to really dive into the complexities of legal advocacy, to build lawyering skills and values of client-centeredness and social justice, and to be zealous, compassionate, and ultimately effective advocates.